Welcome back. The question is, a rope of negligible mass is so wound around a hollow cylinder of mass 3 kg and radius 40 cm. What is the angular acceleration of the cylinder if the rope is pulled with a force of 30 Newton? What is the linear acceleration of the rope? Assume that there is no slipping. The moment of inertia is given by I equals a mass square, that is 3 into 0.4 square, which gives us 0.48 kg meter square. And the torque is given by tau equals r into capital F, that is giving us the value of 12 Newton meter. Also tau equals I alpha, so alpha is equal to tau by I. Now we know the value of tau that already we already got, and it was 12 Newton meter, and the value of I we also have calculated it. So the value of alpha is coming out to be 25 rad per second square, and the linear acceleration is given by this formula. Acceleration equals alpha r. Now the value of alpha is 25 and the value of r is 0.4, so it is coming out to be 10 meter per second square.